Hello and welcome to this course on modelling a Victorian styled horse-drawn carriage. My name is Alan Lilly. I will be your instructor for this course. I'm a freelance 3D generalist and digital instructor with 4 years of professional experience. Throughout this course we will be modelling and retopologizing to make a game-ready asset that we'll be taking into the Unreal Engine. Once modelled, we will be setting up smoothing groups, material IDs, unwrapping and producing a texture, as well as presenting our piece in Marmoset and Unreal Engine 4. This course will only cover the creation of the carriage and the hard surface elements, and not the soft surface components such as horses. Software that we'll be using will include 3ds Max 2016 or later, Unreal Engine 4 and Substance Painter 2. Throughout this course we'll be looking at different components of the carriage and how they work. We will move from looking at a game-ready asset created for a game and look at the more real-world components and how they would work in what we are doing. After all this, we will look at making the carriage as a game asset and making it look believable in our world, so that if a player was to look at it, they would think of it as a working component, much like what you would see in a modern game. Because of the length of this course, it will be split into 2 sections. The modelling will make up the first part of this course. The second part will include smoothing groups, material IDs, unwrapping, texturing, presentation and closure. This course is designed for beginners or someone who has never touched the software before, although all skill levels are welcome. Thank you for looking at this course. My name is Alan Lilly. I hope to see you on the course.